Ew, wet. Huh? What? I'm gonna fold it in. Gonna dry it. It still have this vinegar there. Is there vinegar inside of it? Yeah. But the vinegar is on the skin. Oh, hold on. That. Wait, so if you open this up, what is inside it?
The egg yolk and the egg white.
The stuff you eat inside of it? Oh, that's nice. You could cut it open and look at that! Look at that! Oh, ew! Not too hard because it's gonna pop.
Can I see?
Don't do it too hard. Don't. I knocked the table. Don't knock it in the same place over and over, otherwise it'll fly out. About the touch ground, about to pop. If it touched ground, it would have popped. Because it is. Because look, we have this sharp thing. If you do it too hard, and you open it up. If you take a knife and you try to open it up and you do it too hard, when you open it up, everything will just fly out all over you. Oh, what?
What's it called?
Egg. Naked egg. Like a naked person.
So what happened? What made it come like that?
Vinegar.
Okay, how long did it stay in the vinegar?
10
10 what?
hours.
About that, right? So we left it in it overnight.
It popped. It popped somewhere. Mommy, it popped. Wait here. Wait. Did you see something? Oh. I see some yellow stuff in it. What is it?
Let's see you.
Yolk? Ew. We eat yolk?